I got a gaming chair. We're gonna unbox it. Hey guys, welcome back. It's Groovy Tony. Smash like, smash subscribe, ring that bell and comment below because I'm here for your entertainment. Y'all, I just got a chair. I'm pumped. I got a gaming chair. We're gonna unbox it and we're gonna put it together. And I'm really excited to be changing some things up because I'm actually redoing this whole room, as you'll see in another video that I'm gonna have linked here or possibly here depending, but it's gonna be linked, so check it out. And it's gonna be redoing this whole room. All right guys, so this is the Respawn. I'm excited to check out this gaming chair. It is the RSP 110. Now I almost got one of those Secret Lab Titan chairs, but they were really pricey, and I found this on Amazon, and it was like $200 or $300, but when I got it, it was on sale, so I only paid $100 for it. So I'm pumped for it. I'm gonna check it out. I'm ready to open this bitch. Yes. This box looks cringy though. I don't know if it was mishandled in shipment or what. So I don't know what to expect. We're gonna unbox this and put it together. I got gray because I love gray. Yes, I love it. Oh my god, guys, I'm so hot and sweaty too because we started doing everything, like taking off the ceilings and putting new ones. Like it's a lot, but I want to make sure I'm comfortable and you guys are comfortable. We have a great experience, bitch. We want to stay positive and uplifted. I watched. Ooh, okay. Yes. These are the handles. Just kidding. These are the legs. I was gonna have handles for legs. I saw the video on how to put this together on Amazon. It didn't look crazy hard, but now I'm a little intimidated because it's really big. Oh, here's like the main chair and the butt. Yes. Okay, I'm pumped. I gotta take out the butt first. Big booty, cause you got a big booty. Ooh. Yeah, I do. It's gonna be cushion for my booty. Wait, this is the headpiece. Oh, this might be like a footrest. Bitch, I'm excited. Okay, I'm ready. Oh, yes. Oh, she's a heavy one too. Ooh, I'm excited. Oh my god, it's like Christmas. There's 2 more boxes in here. Oh my god, this is heavy. Oh. No, because the butt part of the chair has the leg rest on. What is that part? Alright, this box can go. It's time to start building. Alright. Ooh. Alright, I'm pumped. Wait, let's see what these little guys have. Well, no, let's get down here and let's get started. Let's unbox these bad boys and put this together. What happened to this box? It was in that box. How did this happen? It's probably metal. I'm sure it doesn't matter, but like, what happened? Oh, it is. It's the little feet. Oh, feet. God, the feet are heavy. Oh, it has little wheels inside. Oh my god, it's like ready. I'm prepared for this. It smells like a new car. It is like a race car chair, so that's what it is. New car. This is gonna be like the tools. Alright guys, I can't wait to see this finished. And I hope they also give instructions. It is the tools! Okay, you clearly don't like being that way. Let's go like this. You can like lean up against the wall. Oh, I got my tools! This is like the pump. There's another box inside of it. It really is Christmas. It's like Christmas morning. Oh, that's not pretty. That's not a pretty smell. Oh my gosh. Don't like sniff it. Don't go in the box. Oh, this is like a, okay. I kind of remember, well, I remember this from the video, and I remember like a part of it is purely for aesthetic. And when they said that, I was like, I'm in love with this chair. The chair said, no bitch, I gotta look good. But what I'm not seeing is like actual instructions. Oh, just kidding. There's instructions in the book for it. It gives me the keys too. Respawn gave me the keys for the tools. You know that I'm gonna give them a good review. Oh, let's hope this chair doesn't like break when I sit on it. Shoot me, cause I'm a Respawn. You crazy. Ooh, this little dirty thing. I'm gonna open his legs first. Ratchet. You haven't even taken me out to dinner. Look at you. I'm ready. Put him on wheels. Meals on wheels. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Alright. Ow! It's Patrick Star. Who's the fuck? I'm losing it. It wants this, like, already flipped. And, like, then I put, but like, how are the wheels gonna stand up and then, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna do this. It's so simple. These instructions are crazy. Essentially, on the instruction, it essentially wants you to like stand the wheel up and like place it down, but no. Oh, I got the legs. Oh, I'm ready. Oh, she's on wheels. Oh, you better watch her. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, this part is clunked in the middle. Okay. Oh, that's really a good sturdy fit. Okay, that is very cool. But this is the part that's just for aesthetics, so that when you pump up and you don't just see that little, you see like ooh come up. I don't care, but I love that it said just for aesthetics. I was like, oh, you vain bitch. Oh, now I gotta do the bottom. Oh, it's so beautiful. I can't even believe this day is here. I remember ordering it, being like, oh, this is gonna take so long, and it's like here. Oh, so excited. My tush. I don't want to put it on the floor. I just cleaned it, but I don't know. I'm just like, I just got this. I don't want it on the floor. So you get a plastic bag. You get a nice little thing just for you, boo. Okay. Oh, this is the beast right here. This. And then line up the holes, which makes it very easy. So now we're going to open our little tools. We're going to get the end screw and put it with the J washer. So I got this secure, and now, yeah, oh, I get to take this caboose and put it on these legs. And you just line this little hole up. With this rod right here. We got some legs in a caboose. But baby, you also gotta have back. So let's see if baby got back. Oh, and it's just, oh, come on. You can't make it. It doesn't get better than that. I know what that's for. Come on, it really does not get better than that. That is so simple and so easy to do. Get out of here. And just line this up. I know you guys can't see me, but I'm just going to put those essentially very similar screws that we just used, but with an extra piece. This is so easy. Okay, now she got legs, a butt, and a back. She gotta have arms. Hello? She's gotta reach. She's gotta reach. one cushion is for your back, and it supports your back. And in the instruction picture, it looks like it's already on, and it didn't say anywhere in the instructions to put it on or when to put it on. So I hope it wasn't a requirement to do it before. I just screwed that in. Oh no, I can probably do this super easy. Oh, see, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, now we can give her some arms. I'm so glad that I don't know why the arms came in two different color bags. Oh, we got arms. Oh yes, we're gonna follow it with K and N, which is just screws and then a topper. One arm down, one more to go. And I think P is just extra tools in case you lose one. It's like one of everything. Oh my god, I'm so pumped. Now for the finishing final piece, a little finishing touch on this bad boy. That Respawn headrest. What? And it makes it super easy because it's stretchy, but it's also a clip, so you can unclip it, put it through these holes if you prefer. Nice. Plush lush. Let's see how I feel. Oh my god. I can go back further. Oh my god, how far back can I go? Oh my god. Oh, this is amazing. Wait, can I like lead it? Oh, I can just take a nap right here. Get the fuck out. Get out. This is crazy. How do I make it come back up? Come back up. Oh, because I pull. Let's see the lift. I want to see the lift. Hold on. I don't know if I should lift while I'm on it, so I'm just gonna. Oh yes. Oh, this is. I'm ready. This is it. Oh, hey, Wings. Sorry. The chair is not used to you, and you're not used to the chair. You guys will get along soon. Calm down. And it has a little footrest. Get out of here. Oh, and it goes this way. Whoop. Get hell. Kick back, unlock, and then just slouch out. Oh, this is it. Oh, guys, this is amazing. Respawn. This is amazing. I love this chair. This is freaking awesome. I might sleep in this tonight. What? Just. I love this. I love that the pillow is adjustable because I might put it in those holes to better support my neck. But this is just an amazing chair, and I got it at a great price on Amazon. It was cheaper than a lot of the other chairs out there, and it feels freaking fantastic. Y'all, thank you so much for helping me unbox and set this chair up. That was fun. This was amazing. Make sure you check out some more unboxing videos and the complete redesign of this room. It's going to be linked in the description. I freaking love you guys, and I'm excited to get back with some new things because we're going to have a lot more fun on the channel. Y'all, as always, it's Groovy Tony. Smash like, smash subscribe, ring that bell, and comment below. Peace out, y'all. Ooh, wait, blocked. Ooh, wrong one.